I'm Lorna Fernandez, Secretary Goa CAN. We are here from under the direction of Collector, who is the chairperson of the South Goa District Road Safety Committee. This MES junction inspection was pending for a long time. So, today we are here and we are just looking at the changes that we can make, because a lot of accidents are taking place at this junction. And we've just started the inspection, so there are a few points that we have raised already about the signals which are not steady, and we have just been informed that there's a flyover coming here, and that it will take 2 years for it to put in place. But I said we cannot wait for 2 years. Whatever changes we need to make it urgently, because there is lots of things happening. People are coming on the wrong side here, so measures will be taken to do that. This bus stop which is here needs to be 50 meters away from this signal, so that will be taken up. We're going to have a free slipway here for people to turn left. That's what we have, and encroachments to be removed on this junction here, from here right up to MES College. But that will come under the Sankwal Panchayat. Also, there are stray cattle and stray dogs roaming around on the roads. They also need to be looked at by the Panchayat. So they're supposed to be here for the inspection, but they're not here as yet.
And certain, if you see some stray dogs over here, stray cattle, they are creating all havoc. So we are addressing all these issues. I have repeatedly written to ensure that there are no stray cattle on national highways, on other roads.
So regarding the flyover, it is coming.
Yeah, a flyover is going to come, and there will be a flyover above this junction. So that will have, it will facilitate the traffic movements all seamlessly. Thank you.
There needs to be a stop
for improving this MES junction, because a lot of things are to be done, like road widening, special free left to the residents of Vidyanagar and MES College, and other some important issues are there, so we are discussing it, and we will be trying to improve this particular junction so that there are less accidents and less casualties. My only request to the people is that follow the traffic rules and regulations. If the signals are off, you have to be slow, stop, watch and then go. Till then everything is in place.